How to unban your WhatsApp number if WhatsApp has banned it. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix this issue with the WhatsApp banning our number. So let's just dive right into some solutions directly without any delay. So first thing you need to understand is why WhatsApp has banned your account. So some of the few reasons may be because you have violated the WhatsApp terms of service, or you have done some suspicious activity or complaints happened done against you and you are using an unauthorized app or version. So first thing is, in order to fix that issue is you can appeal for the ban. So WhatsApp gives you an option to appeal the ban, and for that you can go ahead and open the WhatsApp. And when you see the ban message, you can go to the Learn More option if you have that. Otherwise, you can choose WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can go to their settings, through the WhatsApp itself, and go to the help center and contact them. So when you're appealing, make sure you explain why you think the ban was a mistake. Be polite and detailed, and if you're using a third-party app, admit that and assure them that you will stop using them in the future. After that is done, all you need to do is wait for the WhatsApp response. It may take some time, but if you believe that your ban was a mistake, or if you have made some necessary changes to follow the rules, they could lift the ban. If that doesn't work, you might need to use a different phone number to create a new WhatsApp account. But keep in mind that if you're still violating the WhatsApp terms, they could ban your new number as well. So be sure to follow all their rules. So that's pretty much for today. I hope this video was helpful to you. So thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.